Hello kids!
Do you want to enjoy a beautiful song?
Then get ready! Where is lion? Where is lion?
Here I am, here I am.
How are you this morning? How are you this morning?
Very well, I thank you. Very well, I thank you. Who is next? Who is next?
Where is giraffe? Where is giraffe?
Here I am, here I am.
How are you this morning? How are you this morning?
Very well, I thank you. Very well, I thank you. Who is the next? Who is the next?
Where is elephant? Where is elephant?
Here I am, here I am.
How are you this morning? How are you this morning?
Very well, I thank you. Very well, I thank you. Who is next? Who is next?
Where is octopus? Where is octopus?
Here I am. Here I am.
How are you this morning? How are you this morning?
Very well, I thank you. Very well, I thank you. Let's see all. Let's see all. So, did you all understood which topic we are going to learn today?
Yes,
Yes,
about
animals.
Children, do you want to see the animals? Now let's see the animals. Now, which animal you can see? Yes, they are domestic animal. Now let us know more about these domestic animals. तो बच्चों, ये कौन सा एनिमल है? Yes, this is a cow. And which animal gives us milk? Cow gives us milk. हाँ, आप लोग सुबह क्या पीते हो? मिल्क पीते हो. तो वो कौन सा एनिमल देता है? Cow. Now children, which animal? Yes. Oh, oh. Yes, it is a dog. And it guards our house. Here comes a donkey. And this animal helps us to carry heavy loads. So this is a donkey. So who is coming next? Yes, this is a horse. And it runs very, very fast.
Now who is next? Yes, sheep. And sheep gives us wool.
Which animal is this? Yes, this is a gorilla. And where does gorilla live? Yes, gorilla lives in the jungle. And it jumps from tree to tree.
Now let's see which animal is next. I am very much scared and this animal lives in a den. Can you guess which animal it is? Yes, it is a lion, the king of the jungle. And what sound does the lion make?
Now the next animal. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a zebra. And zebra has black and white stripes on its body.
Yes, which animal? This is a cheetah and it having black spots on its body and it runs very, very fast.
Now children, which animal you can see here? Yes, it is a rhinoceros and it has a short tail and a sharp horn in the middle of its face. Can you see? Sharp horn.
Now see which animal is this? This is a huge animal and it has long trunk. Which animal is this? Yes, elephant.
Children, do you know which animal has long neck? Yes, giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck. Can you see giraffe? Yes. The animals that live in jungle are called wild animals and these are all wild animals. Okay kids?
Children, do you like to swim? Yes, I also love to swim. And have you ever gone to a beach side? Yes. So children, and have you ever seen water animals? So today we will be learning about water animals. Animals that live in water and swim in water are called water animals. Can you tell which animal is this? Yes, this is a fish and it lives in water and it has gills and fins. Now the next animal. Which animal? This is a blue whale and it is the largest water animal. Now the next animal. Which animal you can see? Yes, it's a turtle and it has thick shell to cover its body. Now which one is the next? Yes, it's a crab and it has 10 legs. Now, which animal is coming next? Yes, an octopus and it has 8 arms to swim. Now, this is a cute dolphin. It swims very fast in water. Now, who is coming next? Yes, this is a seal. It loves to eat fish. And the next animal? Yes, it's a crocodile. It has very sharp teeth and hard skin. And which is the next water animal? Yes, this is a starfish. And it is star in shape. So, did you all enjoy it by watching these water animals?
Children, you have learnt about different types of animals, right? But do you know, તમે બધા તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સના કોણ થાવ? Yes, small babies. In the same way, animals also have their babies and we will call them young ones. But in animals world, we have different names of different animals and their babies. So, do you want to learn about babies of the animal? So, let's see. Baby of the lion is called cub. Lion, cub. Lion, cub. The baby of the horse is called foal. Horse, foal. Horse, foal. Next is cow. And the baby of cow is called calf. Cow, calf. Cow, calf. Next is sheep. And the baby of the sheep is lamb. Baby of the sheep is lamb. Let's see which animal is this. Cat. And cat's baby is called kitten. Cat, kitten. Cat, kitten. Next is dog. Which animal is this? Dog. And who is dog's baby? Puppy. Dog, puppy. Dog, puppy. And this is kangaroo. And kangaroo's baby is called Joy. Kangaroo, Joy. Kangaroo, Joy. So understood children, these all are baby of animals.
Now from me and my surrounding book, open page number 4343. Which topic we are going to learn about? Animals. And what are these? Domestic animals. Now, which are the domestic animals? Cow, sheep, horse, goat, cat, camel, donkey, buffalo, rabbit and dog. Now let us see about domestic animals. What is written here? Animals found on farm or near a house are called domestic animals. जो फार्म में दिखते हैं और जो एनिमल्स घर के पास होते हैं उसे डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स कहते हैं. नाउ द सेकेंड वन, कैमल इज कॉल्ड द शिप ऑफ द डेजर्ट. किस एनिमल को शिप ऑफ द डेजर्ट कहते हैं? यस, कैमल. नाउ डोंकी, हॉर्स एंड कैमल हेल्प्स टू कैरी हैवी लोड. कौन से एनिमल लोड कैरी करते हैं? डोंकी, हॉर्स एंड कैमल. टर्न योर पेज एंड Page number 4444. In this page, what is there? Wild animals. Which are the wild animals? Elephant, tiger, lion, bear, fox, deer, kangaroo, giraffe, rhinoceros, cheetah, monkey, zebra. Animals found in the forest area are called wild animals. जो animals जंगल में रहते हैं उसे wild animals कहते हैं. The kangaroo carries its baby in its pouch. Now the third point, the tiger is a national animal. Which is a national animal? Yes, tiger is a national animal. Now the next page, page number 4545. There is water animals. What are they? Water animals. Now which are the water animals? Blue whale, octopus, shark, fish, turtle, crocodile, crab, seahorse and seal. Now the points. Animals found in water are called water animals. जो animals पानी में रहते हैं उसे water animals कहते हैं. Octopus has 8 arms. Which animal has 8 arms? Yes, octopus. Some water animals can be kept in an aquarium. Turn your page and open page number 4646. In this, there is one exercise. We'll read the question. Write capital W for wild animals and capital D for domestic animals. In this, what you have to do? You have to find which are the wild animals. You have to write capital letter W. And in the domestic animals, in the box, we have to write capital letter D. Now, first, which animal is this? Yes, kangaroo. Now, kangaroo is a wild or domestic animal? Yes, it is a wild animal. So, you have to write capital letter W in this box. Now, the next animal. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a deer. Now, deer is a wild or domestic animal? Yes, it is a wild animal. So, you have to write capital letter W. Now, the next picture. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a dog. And dog is a domestic animal. So, you have to write capital letter D. Now, this tiger. Tiger is a wild or domestic animal? Yes, it is a wild animal. So, you have to write capital letter W. Now, the next animal. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a cat. So, cat is a domestic animal. So, you have to write capital letter D. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a camel. And camel is a domestic animal. It helps us in carrying loads. So, it is D for domestic. Now, this animal. Which is this animal? Yes, this is an elephant. So, elephant is a wild or domestic animal? Yes, it is a wild animal. So, you have to write capital letter W. Now, the giraffe. Giraffe, is it a wild or domestic animal? Yes, this is a wild animal. So, you have to write capital letter W. In this way, you have to finish this page at home. Now, the next page. Which page is it? 4747. In this, what you have to do? Take the baby animals to their parents. Call out their names. यहाँ पे baby animals है और उसके parents इस तरफ है. You have to match. Okay? Now, we will match cub with this lion. The next picture, what is this? This is a kitten. Who is the parent of kitten? Yes, cat. So, where is cat? Yes, this is cat. So, you have to match kitten and cat. Now, next, what is this? Lamb. Now, tell me, what is the parent of lamb called? Yes, sheep. So, where is sheep? Is this sheep? Yes. So, you have to match lamb and sheep. Now, next, who is this? Puppy. Now, tell me, what is the parent of puppy called? Yes, dog. So, where is dog? Is this dog? Yes. So, you have to match puppy and dog. Now, the next, what is this? Calf. Now, who is the parent of calf? Cow. So, you have to match calf and cow. Now, what is this? Foal. Now, who is the parent of foal? Yes, horse. So, where is horse? This? Yes. So, you have to match foal and horse. Right, kids?